Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Stata tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about how to import data using the insheet command and the use command. This will show you how to import a .csv file and a Stata data file or a .dta file. So let's first go to your favorite internet browser and go to the Research Support Center's website. That's fhssrsc.byu.edu. Here we're going to be downloading the data we're going to be using today. So click on Workshops and go to Stata, and then down a little bit on the page you've got entrance.dta. Go ahead and click on that. And then there's also flavor2.csv. Download that one as well. You may need to right click it and save link as in order for it to download correctly. Once you have downloaded those two files, go ahead and exit out and open up Stata. If your downloads folder is not where your Stata is looking, it should be in the bottom left-hand corner for both Macs and PCs. If you are not currently looking at your downloads folder or wherever you downloaded the data files, you will need to change that. And you can do that by typing in this command. For Macs, this is what it's going to look like. For PCs, you're going to want to put a C for the C drive, C colon, and then just go ahead and type this out for you guys. You're going to want to do a backslash in order for you to get to the place. So in order for me to write this same command, I would type in users, my NetID, and then downloads. And so that's what you would type for a PC, just so you guys know. But I'd spell downloads correctly. But since I'm not on a PC, I don't need to do that. So I'm now looking at my downloads folder. So now I can just go ahead and start the commands. So the first one we're going to be doing is using the insheet command. So we just type in insheet and then we tell what we are using. We are using flavor2.csv. This is going to tell Stata to grab this CSV file, which is a very common Excel file. So if you can open it up in Excel, you can usually save it as a CSV and then open it up in Stata. It's also good practice to type in comma clear, just so when you're changing data sets you don't mess up any of the variables. So you can see right here we have now imported this data. We've got 4 variables, and from those 4 variables 33 total observations. And over here on the top right you can see that we've got variables 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's how you import a CSV file. Now we're going to import a .dta file. So we're going to use the use command. And Stata assumes that when you use the use command, that you're going to be importing a .dta file, which is a Stata data file. So you don't have to put in .dta. You can if you want, but I'm going to show you that you don't have to. And then, like I said before, it's good practice to type in comma clear. That will remove these variables up here so you don't mess anything up on accident. So we just push enter. You can see that use entrance clear is working. We've got our new variables up here. We do not see variables 1, 2, 3, and 4. And if you want to look at your variables, you can either type in browse or just BR here in the command prompt. And you can see we've got all of our variables up here and all of their observations. One thing you will note that's a little different is that the use command doesn't tell us how many variables or observations that there are, but that's easy enough to find out. And that is a simple way to import data using the insheet and use commands, and those are in the formats of a .csv and a .dta file or a Stata data file. Thank you very much.